We are in Varese. It's a modern port very well equipped and able to accommodate up to 800 boats, but today we're interested in two in particular. It's not often that we try two sister vessels or sister vessels that look slightly different from each other, as in the case of the two ice yachts 52s that we're trying today. 52 Racer Bellatrix, which is here before us, and the Nono Veloce Life 52, of which we are now on board. The builder, Ice Yachts, has nicely interpreted their 50 feet. Still, all things considered, they are simple boats that can be managed with a group of friends or a willing family.
The
Ice 52, designed by Umberto Felci, has a beautiful harmony of lines. The overall aesthetics are very appropriate, without extremes or excesses. This guarantees a certain longevity, a durability of these forms that will not soon lose their appeal. Aside from personal opinions, which in this case are good, Ice Yachts numbers are just as good. In fact, the 52 we presented during the show in Genoa in 2015, and today 8 units have been sold.
I
would say that it's a boat that fully reflects our design philosophy. That is to say, a really fast cruiser that compromises the search for excellent performance, seaworthiness and safety at sea, with a boat that can truly make you enjoy the sea, the holiday and the family completely. So it's really a fast cruiser in every sense of the word. Ice 52 Nono Veloce is a very balanced boat. Right now the wind is about 20 knots. We are close hauled and we are doing, I would say, well over 8. This shows excellent dimensional stability and a great design. What is most striking is really the lightness of the rudder, which is evidently very deep. It remains light, even at this speed with strong sustained wind at this point. All of the controls are close at hand, including the regulation of the mainsail carriage and the jib. The equipment of this boat is as simple as it is sophisticated. A jib with a small overlap of the 108% full mainsail. Now we are going very well. What is striking is the extraordinary handling of the Ice 52, and above all the stability of form of this boat. It has modern lines, with its almost negative bow and a stern smile that makes her look much like a Word 70. Next to us, the 52 Bellatrix, the Ice RS 52. The difference from us, however, is the difference in weight, and its construction is a bit tighter. But today we're playing on equal terms. The whole technical area of the helmsman on board of Ice 52 is very well designed to navigate substantially autonomously. There is the control panel from which you can govern all the winches, the mainsail carriage, the compass, electronic instrumentation. It's a true racer in which the mast is repeated on the jumbo display. Ice 52 is a fast cruiser dedicated to passionate, competent owners who are looking for excitement and entertainment at the helm. Built with great quality and innovative materials. I choose the Ice 52 for the quality of sailing because it is fast, it is well built in carbon.
La clientela del 52 è assolutamente internazionale. La barca su cui mi trovo.
The clientele of the 52 is completely international. The boat on which I am on now is going to Hong Kong. The one just before goes to France. Number 1 went to Sweden, 2 are going to Germany, and 2 launched this year went to Italy.
caratteristica fondamentale di questo 52 piedi che abbiamo progettato per Ice Yacht.
The key features of this 52-footer that we have designed for ice yachts is, I would say, its sportiness. That is to say, the fact that it is a high-performance boat, very sporty, while at the same time being extremely comfortable inside. The construction of this 52 is a great classic, with 3 double cabins and 2 bathrooms, a large dinette and an L-shaped kitchen, down below on the port side. The builders offer numerous customization and fitting solutions, especially on the essences and textiles. The Ice 52 is a very modern yacht which is distinguished by its performance, its comfort on board and its high level of seaworthiness. It is ideal for both long cruises and for participation in regattas and sailing competitions. Hydrofoil on the waterlines and the appendices promise great performance, with impressive results, which show the attitude of Ice 52 to go upwind with tight corners and planer fast downwind, due to its important maximum beam of 4.65 metres with a flat aft section. It is very powerful.